So at the outset, I would like to thank Ganesh sir for taking so much of opportunity. Thank you, Rotary Club of Madras Metro. So this is a Rotary meeting. So we also will be having an agenda. So the first game, we're going to have a lot of fun games. We're going to have Paattu Padava first game. The second game, Ungalil Yaar, Adutha Vadivel. Moonavathu game vandu Virtual Treasure Hunt. The fourth game is Famous Ad Taglines. The fifth game is Mati Yosi, which will be Brain Teasers. In between, there will be a lot of fun icebreakers. So without any further ado, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Swagatam, Suswagatam. Good evening, Rotary Club of Madras Metro. I am Dr. Sid, and this is my wife, Swati. She is a wonderful, beautiful, sweet wife. If I don't say all this, எனக்கு டெஃபினட்டா வீட்ல வந்து கச்சேரி இருக்கும். Okay, so the first game is going to be பாட்டு பாடவா பாடம் சொல்லவா tada tada tada. Okay, so how we're going to play it is by raise hand. So how you do that is on the computer there's an option called as participants. You need to click that and then click on raise hand. So that is how you do it on the computer. On the phone, there is an option called as more. You need to click that and then click on raise hand. So I'm just repeating these points again. On the computer, there's an option called as participants. You need to click that and then click on raise hand. And on the phone, there's an option called as more. You need to click that and then click on raise hand. So without any further ado, let's go on to the games. It will be the fastest finger first who is given the opportunity. If that person's answer is wrong, the second person will be given the opportunity, so on and so forth. Kind request everybody, kindly unmute only if prompted. Otherwise, there will be a lot of disturbances. Remember, guys, the aim is only to have fun. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. So, the first game, you just need to name that song. The first question on your screens now. Name that song. Geeta Powerpuff. Geeta Powerpuff, the first person to raise your hand, please give the answer.
அதோ அந்த பறவை போல பாட வேண்டும்.
Correct, madam. Wonderful. So many people have understood and raised their hand. So guys,
that's good, Geeta.
Thank
good
you.
job, madam. So நம்ம வந்து இது ஒரு Zoom meeting, but still we need to be feel together, right? So we're all going to sing this song together. So I request everybody to unmute yourselves. The lyrics are going to be on your screen, and we're all going to sing this song together. So everybody sing 3, 2, 1.
அதோ அந்த பறவை வாழ வேண்டும்,
இதோ இந்த அலைகள் போல ஆட வேண்டும், ஒரே வானிலை ஒரே வானிலை
Geeta, your name is there in this.
Wonderful, wonderful, beautiful participation from everybody. So many background singers are available in your club. That was amazing, guys. So guys, get ready for the next question on your screen now. Name that song. Anandi madam, எல்லா team leaders பக்காவா ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்காங்க. Anandi madam சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்.
Rowdy Baby.
Wow, madam, that is the correct answer. Rowdy Baby from Mari 2. இந்த பாட்டு வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும் பாடுறதுக்கு. So we're only going to sing evergreen songs together. Good job, madam. So we're now going to move on to question number 3. The question on your screen now. Name the song. Prakash from Batman. Prakash, name that song.
கல்யாண சமையல் சாதம் காய்கறிகளும் பிரமாதம் இந்த கௌரவ பிரசாதம் அதுவே எனக்கு போதும்.
Wow. Super, sir. Prakash, sir. Wonderful. So, guys, as I told you, evergreen songs are going to be an activity for everybody. So, guys, kindly unmute yourselves and
Sing together.
let us sing together the lyrics on your screens in 3, 2, 1, go.
கல்யாண சமையல்
சமையல்
சாதம்
சாதம்
காய்கறிகளும் பிரசாதம்
அந்த
கௌரவ
கௌரவ
பிரசாதம்
பிரசாதம்
இதுவே
எனக்கு போதும்
Wow, this is a song which I learned, which I knew very recently, and it was my favorite song over the past 4 months. I'm singing this every day, and என்னோட wife வந்து பாட்டு அவங்களுக்கு வந்து காதுல இருந்து ரத்தமே வந்துச்சு. Okay guys, the fourth question, the penultimate question on your screens now. Name that song. Ganesh Kumar sir from Iron Man. Ganesh Kumar sir, unmute பண்ண முடியுமா?
அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டேன். மரண மாஸ் ஃப்ரம் பேட்டை.
Wow. மரண மாஸ் சார் நீங்க தான் சார். மரண மாஸ் அயன் மேன் நீங்க தான் சார். மரண மாஸ் கணேஷ் குமார் சார், that is the correct answer. Beautiful guys. So the last and final question, it is gonna be on your screens now. Name that song. Shama from Incredibles. Shama madam, can you unmute?
Yeah. Sorry, the words are not coming into the mouth.
Very
Sorry. Devatai. Sorry, not happening.
We have to sing that song.
Not happening. Sorry.
Okay.
Negative marks.
No negative marks. No negative marks.
Hey Prasanna, you can sing na?
Therla, I don't know that song. Vera paattu paadran panna.
He thought it was some other song. It's not this one.
தப்பா
Since யாருமே வந்து இன்னும் வந்து பாட்டு சொல்ல, நான் ஒரு clue கொடுக்கிறேன். I saw that girl. That is the clue. Geeta from Powerpuff.
ஒரு பெண்ணை பார்த்து நிலவை பார்த்தேன் நிலவில் உளிரில்லை.
Beautiful madam, சூப்பரா பாடிருக்கீங்க.
Thank you Geeta.
Super Geeta madam, beautiful. So now நான் வந்து what I want to see is இந்த குரூப்ல எவ்வளவு கப்பிள்ஸ் இருக்கீங்க. வாவ், நம்ம எல்லாரும் வந்து 1 by 1 வந்து ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ணிடலாமா எல்லாருக்கும்? Beautiful. Sujata madam, could you please help me out?
Shama and Prasanna.
Sujata madam, can you please help me out?
Jata madam.
Okay, just give me a second. I'm just spotlighting everybody.
Ganesh Kanigi.
Siddharth,
அவ்வளவுதான் couples
இல்ல
இருக்காங்க.
there are lot of couples.
Batman Chitra is there.
Can you spotlight them from me? I'm not able to see them.
Yeah. I think I've seen
Ramana and
two
Padmaja
couples.
also.
Are there anybody else? Any more couples here?
I think Padmaja and
They are
Ramana
in
are
different
there.
rooms.
Prakash sir says that
No, Ramana
has left Shama.
Okay.
They're not
Okay.
there.
Okay.
So இந்த மூணு couple வந்து எல்லாரும் நீங்க வந்து சேர்ந்து பாட போறீங்க. So நீங்க மூணு பேர் வண்டி கொஞ்சம் unmute பண்ணுங்க. This is a wonderful song. I will put the lyrics on the screen. So you guys will need to sing it together with full expression. அதுவும் நாங்க பார்க்கணும். Okay. So the lyrics are
Prasanna, start music.
Start music.
ஒரு
பெண்ணை பார்த்து நிலவை அவள் கண்ணை பார்த்து மலரில் இல்லை அவள் இல்லாமல் நான் இல்லை
Ganesh, look at Kanagi.
Beautiful. Wonderful guys. This was super cool. Thank you guys for being such wonderful participants. So guys, so now we're going to move on to the next game. Romba vandu we're going to have an ice breaker. So யாருக்கு வந்து முதல்ல வந்து கை தூக்குறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு தான் the opportunity will be given. So the question is going to be on your screen now. What is the common link between these three pictures? எல்லா ஆம்பளைங்க வந்து இப்படிதான் நயன்தாராவையே பார்த்துட்டு இருப்போம். Divik sir, அவர்தான் முதல்ல raise on பண்ணிருக்காரு. Divik sir, சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்.
The alphabet N.
Oh wow, sir, என்ன sir இவ்ளோ அலர்ட்டா இருக்கீங்க? Alphabet N, correct answer. Beautiful. So, sir, you get free registration to BS Cubes event. Beautiful, sir. Divik Rajora, sir. Congratulations. Okay, guys. So now we're going to move on to a very, very fun game. Yar, ungalil yar, அடுத்த வடிவேலு. BS Cube வழங்கும் உங்களில் யார் அடுத்த வடிவேல். BS Cube. Okay. So how this game again? Just a quick reminder. How do you raise your hand? There's an option participants. You need to click that and then click on raise hand. And on the phone, there's an option called as more. You need to click that and then click on raise hand. Again, the opportunity is by the fastest finger first. Kindly unmute and only if you are prompted. Remember, guys, the aim is only to have fun.
Siddharth, I have a small question.
Sure, madam, please go ahead.
This screen which says raise the hand, no?
Yeah.
That is overimposing on your image. Is there a way I can move it? Can you walk me through that? I'm not able to see the screen. This window is opening onto it.
Are you playing from the laptop or from the computer?
Yeah, laptop.
So there's an option called as participants, madam.
Yeah.
Click that.
Yes.
Then one column is opening right on the right side.
I got that, but that window is superimposing on your image, like what you said.
You can move that, Chitra.
I don't know how to move that.
இல்ல அத click பண்ணி right click பண்ணி அப்படியே சைடுல மூவ் பண்ணிடலாம்.
It's not happening.
You can make it small, madam.
இல்லங்க அத அந்த arrow மேல வைங்க சாய், நீங்க மேல வைங்க. அந்த participants number 33 இருக்குல, அது பக்கத்துல arrow வச்சிட்டு right click and then move it will move anywhere.
மினிமைஸ் இருக்குல்ல, அது பண்ணுங்களேன். that is center button பண்ணீங்க சின்னதாயிடும். then you can move.
அதுல தாங்க பண்ணி இருக்கறேன். சின்னதா தான் இருக்குது, but it is not moving. So I am not able to see the screen.
Okay, you move the photos. இந்த யார் ஓவர்லாப் ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லிங்கன்னா அவங்கள மூவ் பண்ணிடுங்க.
இல்லப்பா, அவரோட ஸ்கிரீன்லயே
இல்ல you move each other. You will move little bit, then it will move.
Hey, இல்ல சாய் இன்னொரு ஐடியா. Open up in your mobile phone the Zoom. Okay, you can see the song or display in the phone and you can raise your hands in the laptop.
Okay, we'll try that.
Ganesh சொன்னது ரொம்ப complicated. What I said is better, easier.
You have to
see it's more.
எப்பவுமே பிரசன்னா நீ சொல்றது ரைட் தான் மாமி.
அவ்வளவுதான்மா, தெரிஞ்ச விஷயம் தானப்பா. அது என்னப்பா நம்ம டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ண. Okay, come on, let's get on with it. If you can't.
Okay, guys, just as sir said, let us get on with it. So all you have to do is complete the dialogue. So the first question on your screen now. Dash is strong, dash is weak. So yes, we're getting a lot of participants. Shama from Incredibles.
Hey, come on, I press first, yeah.
Foundation strong, basement weak.
Hey, wrong.
Why? It's just a meme, yeah. You can
foundation,
say
foundation strong, correct.
Hey, wrong.
Wrong. That is the wrong answer.
Building strong, foundation weak, ba. Building strong, foundation weak.
Correct. Ganesh Kumar, நீ கரெக்ட்டா சொல்லுங்க. சொன்னீங்க.
Basement கொஞ்சம் weak, foundation
சொல்லுங்களே. Ganesh sir,
building strong, foundation weak. Is that right? No.
கரெக்ட்ங்க, பட் ஃபீலிங் கூட சொல்லணும்ன்றாரு அவரு.
ஓ, ஃபீலிங் கூட சொல்லுமா?
ஆமா சார், யார் அடுத்த வடிவேல் தான் சார் இந்த ப்ரோகிராம் பேரு.
அதெல்லாம் நமக்கு வராதுங்க.
என்னங்க எப்படி சொல்லிட்டீங்க? கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்.
Building strong, foundation weak.
Sir, building strong,
basement weak.
Beautiful. Ganesh Kumar and Geeta ke நம்ம வந்து இந்த பரிசு கொடுக்கலாம். ரெண்டு பேரும் வந்து ஃபாஸ்டா பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்றாங்க. Guys, we need more participation from everybody. Okay guys, the next question is on your screen now. Dash வலிக்குது dash. கீதா from Powerpuff. மேடம் நீங்க ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்கீங்க, சொல்லுங்க மேடம் பாப்போம்.
வலிக்குது, அழுதுருவேன், விட்டுரு.
இல்ல வேண்டாம், வலிக்குது, அழுதுருவேன்.
அழுதுருவேன், விட்டுரு.
பியூட்டிஃபுல் மேடம். நீங்க வந்து அடுத்த கோவை சர்லாக்கு வந்து கண்டெஸ்ட்
ஆல்ரெடி கோவை சர்லா தான் கிளப்ல.
Thank you, Gita.
Super madam, super. Guys, come on. Get your adrenaline rushing. Fastest finger first count. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நான் வந்து நிறைய வாட்டி டேஷ் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு தெரியுது, அது கெட்ட வார்த்தை நினைச்சுக்காதீங்க, அது just fill in the blanks தான். Okay guys, third question on your screen now. Dash in the dash. I am dash in the dash. Batman Chitralekha. Batman Chitralekha கொஞ்சம் அன்மியூட் பண்ணி சொல்ல முடியுமா?
Sing in the rain, I am swaying in the rain.
Wow, super.
I want more in the rain.
நீங்க ராசர் அடுத்த வடிவேலு டவுட்டே இல்லாம சார். பியூட்டிஃபுல் சார்.
ஏங்க அவர் நம்ம கிளப்போட கமலஹாசனுங்க, வடிவேல் இல்லைங்க
சார். இந்த பேர் நம்மளால இந்த டைட்டில் பேர் மாத்த முடியல சார். இப்போ நம்ம வடிவேல் தான் சொல்ல முடியும். அடுத்த வாட்டி நம்ம கமலஹாசன் பண்ணிடலாம் சார்.
Thank you.
Sir, beautiful. The next question on the screens now. Mapla dash வெச்சிட்டாயா dash. Wow. But எல்லாரும் வந்து அதே டீம் லீடர்ஸ் தான் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. கணேஷ் குமார் அயன் மேன் சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம்.
மாப்ள மாப்பு வச்சிட்டாயா ஆப்பு.
ஆமா சார், கரெக்ட்டா தான் சொல்லிட்டீங்க, ஆனா கொஞ்சம் ஃபீலிங் வேணும் சார்.
மாப்ள மாப்பு வெச்சிட்டாடா ஆப்பு.
யாரு இது? சொன்னது யாரு இப்போ?
சாய்ராம்.
சாய்ராம் சார். சாய்ராம் சாருக்கும் கொடுப்போம், கணேஷ் குமார் சாருக்கும் கொடுப்போம். ஏன்னா சாய்ராம் சார் வந்து நல்ல ஃபீலிங்ல சொல்றாரு. வெரி ஸ்போர்ட்டிவ். சூப்பர் சார், சூப்பர். வெரி குட். The last question on the screens now. என்ன டாஷ் நல்லவன் டாஷ்மா. இப்போ நம்ம எல்லா only the leaders are participating. நம்ம just பிரகாஷ் பேட்மேன் வந்து ஒரு வாட்டி இது பண்ணிருக்காரு. இன்கிரெடிபிள்ஸ் சார்ல்ஸ் நீங்க ஒரு இன்கிரெடிபிள்ஸ் சார்ல்ஸ் ஒரு நீங்க கொஞ்சம் அன்மியூட் பண்ண முடியுமா?
அன்மியூட் தான் பண்ணிருக்கேன். என்ன ரொம்ப நல்லவன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்கம்மா.
கரெக்ட் தான் சார். யார் சார் அப்படி எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டாங்க உங்களை? ஐயோ
நீங்களா சார்?
சூப்பர் சார்ல்ஸ்.
Yes.
Wonderful. So our next icebreaker is
Good going, Charles.
Thank you.
நம்மளுக்கு வந்து icebreaker. இதுல வந்து we had wonderful participation from Ganesh Kumar, Geeta Madam, Chitralekha, Ganesh Kumar and Sairam and Charles Incredibles. அவங்கள ஒண்டி நம்ம முதல்ல வந்து ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ணணும். பேட்மேன் சித்ரலேகா சூப்பர். கணேஷ் குமார் சார் உங்களை வந்து ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்றோம் இப்போ. நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பேட்மேன் சித்ரலேகா எங்க இருக்காங்க? அவங்கள ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ணியாச்சா? கீதா ஃப்ரம் பவர்பஃப். கீதா ஃப்ரம் பவர்பஃப் எங்க இருக்காங்க?
That I have spotlighted her.
Okay, can you spotlight Sairam, Charles from Incredibles and Sairam sir?
Sairam sir, just wave your hand. I'll just.
I'm already doing it.
He's already there. He's there.
Great.
So only
Charles எங்க இருக்காரு? Charles. Okay, Charles. Yes sir.
Okay, wonderful. So we're having 4 beautiful contestants. Ganesh Kumar sir, Ganesh sir, President, உங்களையும் ஸ்பாட்லைட் பண்ண போறேன். கணேஷ் சார், உங்களுக்கு ஒரு டாஸ்க்.
ஓகே.
இந்த 5 பேர்ல யார் வந்து அடுத்த வடிவேல் நீங்க தான் சொல்லணும் சார். உங்க குரூப்ல
அன்டவுட்டபிள் only சாய்ராம் இஸ் அடுத்த வடிவேல். நம்ம ஃபீலோட சொன்னாரு எல்லாரும்.
கணேஷ் இவ்வளவு கோவமா இருப்பீங்கன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன்.
இது ஆயிட்டீங்க.
என்னடா கமல்ன்றான், இன்னொருத்தன் என்னடா வடிவேலுன்றான்.
இந்த ப்ரோக்ராமே காம்படிஷனே அடுத்த வடிவேல் யாரு தான்? நீங்க தான் நல்லா பண்ணீங்க.
நீங்க ரொம்ப நல்லவர் சார் நீங்க.
காமெடி பண்ணலையே.
சாய்ராம் சார் போயிட்டாரு. நான் தேங்க்யூ ஸ்பீச் சொல்லும்போது அப்படியே எடுத்துட்டாரு.
போன் வந்துச்சா போன்.
Okay, so wonderful. Number Sairam sir ko we are giving free registration in BS Cube's next program. Congratulations, Batman Chitralekha and Sairam sir. Sir, Ganesh sir, are we going to move on with the treasure hunt?
Yeah. Go ahead. I think.
Participants irukanga parvaliya?
Yeah. No, 33 illa. There are a lot of couples there.
Okay.
So it must be more.
Okay, awesome. So we're going to go to the best part. Open that. The best part or the most anticipated event of the Rotary Club of Madras Metro's family meeting. So it is going to be, I'm just going to explain to everybody once more. All members in your respective teams will need to be active in the treasure hunt. Small tasks will be given. Teamwork is essential. The group admin is considered the leader. If you're not able to complete any task, kindly on Zoom, unmute yourself and let us know. And then after a time penalty of 2 minutes, the next task will be given to you. For each task, 5 members will need to complete the activity, which will involve taking a selfie with common household items. For the first clue, it will be displayed for everybody. The solution is a 10-digit mobile number. Once you find the mobile number, the leader will need to add that onto your WhatsApp group. So guys, the first common clue is going to be on your screen now. So let the hunt begin. So you'll have to add on to the WhatsApp group, guys. Come on. Be fast, guys.
This is the clue for the number.
So the first number will be number of planets, including Pluto. The next one, Jawaharlal Nehru was our dash PM. Number of colors in the rainbow.
Number of balls in an oval. Number of sides in a square. Number of wonders in the world. Tripod. Number of sides in a square. 3 into 3. Number of legs in a spider.
So that will be a 10-digit mobile number. Come on, guys. Add it on the onto the group. Add the number onto the group. We're waiting. We're waiting, guys. So treasure hunt நீங்க கரெக்ட்டா தான் போட்டுக்கீங்க குரூப்ல. ஆனா வந்து கொஞ்சம் அந்த நம்பர் வந்து கொஞ்சம் குரூப்ல ஆட் பண்ணிடுங்க. Powerpuff Girls, the first person to start.
Yes, so Powerpuff team has found the number.
So we have given the first clue to Powerpuff Girls. Guys, come on. Come on, guys. Add it on the group. Iron Man team, and the number save பண்ணிட்டு please add the number onto your group.
So appoda you can get the clues.
Incredibles, add the number on the group. Come on, guys. That is the correct answer. Only Powerpuff Girls has given. So you will need to add. You need to save it.
போடு நீ 100 ரூபாயை போடுமா. 200 வேற யாரனா போடுவாங்க. 100 நீ போடு.
Yes, beautiful Iron Man. The first clue has been given to you. Come on, guys. 5 people will need to take the selfie with that respective clue.
Siddharth, can I stop the screen sharing?
No, not yet. Only 2 teams, only Incredibles and Powerpuff Girls have done it.
So Powerpuff Girls la Geeta madam amchitaanga.
Sir, Batman team, konjam and the number correct da. Please add this number onto your team. Yes, beautiful.
Done.
எது
Group open
எதுக்கு இது?
Yeah, Powerpuff Girls.
Powerpuff Girls have done it?
Yeah, they've done the first clue.
You have not done.
The second clue is with you.
கதவு மூடு.
Siddharth, we have added it the group. We have added
100 and
it, but I'm not
200.
getting the clues.
Siddharth, waiting for the clues.
That's it.
Yeah, here.
Do.
Okay. Take a selfie with the 100 rupee and 200 rupee note.
சார் இதெல்லாம் வெளில சொல்லக்கூடாது பிரசன்னா. இன்னும்
Siddharth, we are waiting for the task.
மத்த டீம்ஸ் எல்லாம் இன்னும் ட்ராக் பண்ணல.
Which team, ma'am?
Batman.
Batman. இன்னும் வரலையே.
We haven't got the tasks.
They added Batman.
Okay, I'll just forward it to you.
Yeah.
Close பண்ணலாமா சித்தார்த்?
பண்ணலாம்.
Very nice. All of you have gotten back onto the thing. Come on, start your work.
But we haven't got our task, Sujata.
Yeah,
Yet.
you got it.
You got it. Batman, you got it.
No.
He says he sent it.
No, I'm not getting it. Yeah, just now.
Iron Man, just one more, please. One more photo with your money.
Very nice, guys. You're all moving forward.
But that everybody understood the concept.
Great. And everybody's
All these tasks, 5 people will need to do it.
The 5 people should do the task. The clue. Selfie with the clue.
Group upama.
Come on, guys, we're waiting.
Where is Incredibles now? Are they in level 1 or level 2?
Yes, in
Everybody's so busy. Oh my God. All money, duddu.
Money.
So Incredibles, ஒரே ஒரு photo with the clue, first clue. One more photo from your team. Yeah, Incredibles, second clue.
Incredibles.
So Incredibles are getting the second clue. You're moving forward. Look at it and carry on with that.
Vijay no పంపిస్తాడు.
ఐదు మంది పంపించారు.
So even Batman team has
So Batman also has finished first level. Very good.
Batman, you get the next one. Beautiful. சொல்லுங்க.
சித்தார்த் நாங்க முடிச்சிட்டோமே.
ஆனந்தி மேடம் உங்களுக்கு செகண்ட் க்ளூவே வந்துச்சு.
ஆமா செகண்ட் க்ளூ முடிச்சிட்டோம். தேர்ட்.
Yes, beautiful.
எல்லாம் நல்லா பல்லு தேய்க்கிறீங்க.
ஆமா நல்லா அழகா வேற போஸ் கொடுக்கறாங்க. ஷமா.
Make a picture with oil.
Very nice. Wonderful. Everybody's running around looking for the household items.
So the clues la is very important. So ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க இந்த clues la.
Wow, Incredibles fast ஆ வராங்க.
இந்த நாளதுமா. பேஸ்ட் நோ வீட்ல நிச்சயத்தால போட்டோ நிச்சயத்தால.
யாருக்காவது third clue வரணும்னா சொல்லுங்க. Second clue or third clue please.
I think 3, 4 that's it.
Anandi is very busy. சிவகுமார் பக்கத்துல இல்லாமலே முடிச்சிடுறாங்க.
Iron Man
team வந்து
2 தான் அம்ச்சிருக்கீங்க. 3 more. Iron Man 3 more for the third clue. Yeah, 4th.
Wow. They are advancing. Super Iron Man.
சீக்கிரம் ஓடுங்க.
So president தான captain அதனால தான் முன்னாடி ஃபாஸ்டா போறாங்க. Very good.
Incredibles காம்சாச்சு.
Oh wow. Super.
ஃபாஸ்டா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. சூப்பர்.
Batman third.
Batman is third clue. Amcha.
Incredibles. Wow, Incredibles as a name. Name கேத்த மாதிரியே பண்றீங்களே.
Everybody is so happy and so
Next one.
working. Oh my God. Superb, Anandi.
Hey, same egg. Okay. Remote.
Vote for Incredibles.
யார் அது யார் அது யார் அது இப்படி எல்லாம் திட்டுறது?
நான்தான்பா. My phone is calmed down.
Phone தானா?
போயிடுச்சு. என்னன்னு தெரியல. 100% சார்ஜ் இருக்கு, போயிடுச்சு, வர மாட்டேங்குது.
நைஸ். பரவாயில்ல, நல்ல காமெடி பண்றீங்க.
என்ன பண்றது? போட்டோலாம் எடுக்கிறதுக்குள்ள ஆஃப் ஆயிடுது. ஒரு வாட்டி கிளிக் பண்ணும்போது ஆஃப் ஆயிடுது போன்.
Girls, you are on the last clue. Beautiful.
ஆனந்தி ரொம்ப சாரி ஆனந்தி, என் போன் ஃபுல்லா காங்க் ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Powerpuff Girls last clue சீக்கிரம்.
ஆனே ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. என்னப்பா லாஸ்ட் clue சொல்லு ஆனந்தி. Rearrange the first letter of all the highlighted words. Final answer. எதோட
உங்க ஆன்சர் அப்படியே ஷவுட் பண்ணாதீங்க, மத்தவங்க எல்லாம் எடுத்துற போறாங்க, பாத்துக்கோங்க.
பட் எனக்கு புரியலையே, क्वेश्चनே புரியலையே. ஹைலைட் பண்ண வேர்ட் எல்லாம் ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணுப்பா, ஏதாவது வேர்ட் வரும்.
The clues எல்லாமே rearrange பண்ணுங்க மேம்.
What are you all doing?
First letter of all the words. All the clues.
So the pictures part of it is over, is it?
Is it the first letter of all the clues?
Yeah.
What are we doing now?
குரூப்ல போட்டுருவோம், கலப்படாதீங்க.
பாதி.
Come on, let's rearrange.
What are the highlighted words? There are no words which are highlighted.
No, there are
in blue.
There are the words in blue இல்ல, toothpaste, oil.
Yeah, please don't mention it, sir. எல்லாம் அப்படியே உங்களுக்கு முன்னாடி அவங்க கொடுத்துருவாங்க.
So எல்லா cluesல highlight ஆயிருக்கும். அதுல first word
நம்ம படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
So that is the answer.
Yes, Iron Man team has won.
Iron Man team.
Iron Man team.
Wow, Iron Man. Super, super, super. Excellent. Ganesh Kumar sir, Iron Man தானா?
நான் தான் டீம் கேப்டன். நான் தான் டீம் கேப்டன். ஹாய் சுஜாதா.
ஒரே இடத்துல இருக்கீங்க. Explosive combination.
இல்ல நம்ம கிட்ட வந்து ரெண்டு ஆன் அட் ஒரு ஆன் வந்து பயங்கர
பாட்டியா இருக்காங்க.
Wow.
ஆன் இல்லாம ஒண்ணும் பண்ண முடியாது, ஆனட் இல்லாமல ஒண்ணும் பண்ண முடியாது. சூப்பர் சூப்பர். Always to the rescue.
The answer is wrong, but they have to rearrange correctly.
Yeah, so everybody, wow, this was amazing.
We got only 3 tasks, man.
Yes.
We got only 3 tasks.
Five.
No, we
We
got
got
only
only
3.
Team.
Yeah, Batman, we got only 3 tasks.
Yeah, we've done. Is there anything after the final answer?
That's it. Once you find the final answer, that's it.
Siddharth?
Okay.
Sujata, answer, we have put the answer. Check no.
Okay, Siddharth, they put the answer, I believe. Check it out.
Yes. Batman, they put the
Correct.
Yeah.
Don't say the answer. Don't say the answer.
All
Anandi.
teams
Say
are
the
saying
answer.
everyone has won.
Answer.
Everybody is done. I will give you the results soon. Sujata madam, you will need. Can you just go ahead with the third game? Just give me a second. I shall see which team has won, who is in first, second, and third, fourth.
Okay. Carry on, carry on.
Can I have one, Siddharth?
Sir, please go ahead.
Siddharth, we just got only 3 questions, 3 tasks.
4th and 5th task didn't come in the Batman group.
Sir, I've checked your group. You've done all the tasks.
Yeah, we got, I don't know, because the spouses are in different group, I think we got clues. But 3 tasks and the 6th question alone came. 4th and 5th is missing.
ஏய் கிராஸ் ஃபயரிங்ல வர நடக்குதா?
ஆமா. எங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சி is jumping.
So I'm just putting it back onto the group. All
Yeah,
the
now
group-
only we are getting all the 5. Yeah.
No, madam, I've just now, because there was that confusion, I'm just adding it all now.
No, then you have to give us the first prize.
Take it.
I will give free registration for all your members for being wonderful participants.
Okay.
To our next program, Waves Cube is going to conduct a special program. That time you guys can join us.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Do it once in a month, so you can join us in that.
Order la raala. Adi Vijay Vaisnavalla we follow.
Sujata madam, can you go ahead with the next game? I will just see who is
Yeah. Carry on. Let them all settle down. I can put it on. No issues. Okay. Yeah, give me 1 minute, Siddharth. 1 minute.
If anybody can lip read, then you'll know who's the winner.
Good one, Vijay.
We already know.
They were saying, he was saying about, I think, probably Iron Man has got the first.
See Batman.
Yeah, so I've seen all the groups. So Iron Man is the first team to win. The second is Incredible. The third team Powerpuff, and the fourth team Batman. So yeah, congratulations, Iron Man and the Incredible.
Yeah, thank you.
It is the participation that matters. All of you really got into it and got yourselves involved, and everybody did a wonderful job. So it is, as Siddharth says, you know, like when you have the teams, we should also coordinate with you all, and it will be very, very fast. And everybody, he should be able to send it to check your names and your details and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you all so much. You've been wonderful participants. So I'm just going to share about the thing. So the first one was a 10-digit mobile number. The answer is my wife's mobile number, which is 9176473498. She's the co-founder of VS Cube. That's her number. So the first one, the first clue was money. The second one was toothpaste on a toothbrush. We got wonderful photos from this selfie. That was super awesome and super hilarious to see. The third one is வீட்ல எங்க எண்ணெய். To take a picture of oil. The third one was oil. The fourth one was an egg. The fifth one was to take a picture with your remote control. So when you rearrange all the first letters, you get METRO. Metro. Wonderful. Rotary Club of Madras Metro. You guys have been amazing from start up to now. It was beautiful. So much of coordination, so much of enthusiasm. You guys were amazing. You all you need a big pat on your back, and you guys need to give yourselves a big round of applause. I have never seen such wonderful participation and such wonderful sportsmanship. So this is amazing. This is the best that I have seen till date. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. So,
Good, Siddharth.
Sir?
Good, Siddharth. Hope this is not your regular dialogue, na? This is the best team.
Absolutely not. This has been absolutely amazing. I've been telling both my wife and my mother that you guys are so enthusiastic and so well prepared.
It went very smooth.
It went beautifully, much better than expected. So much of participation. This was amazing, guys. Amazing. You guys really deserve a big round of applause. Suresh Rajora, you've raised your hand. Is there anything you want to say?
Suresh Rajora.
Okay, guys. So we're now going to move on to Mati Yosi, which are riddles, brain teaser. So வந்து simple questions எல்லாம் இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் மாத்தி யோசிச்சுட்டு அந்த பதில் வந்து சொல்லணும். So again it is going to happen by raise hand, as these are individual games. It is going to be on raise hand. In the on the computer there's an option called as participants. You need to click that and click on raise hand, and on the phone there is a option called as more. You need to click that and then click on raise hand. Again it is fastest finger first. So again, kindly unmute only if prompted. Remember guys, the aim of this program is only to have fun. So now I'm going to hand over the floor to my wonderful mother. Ana vandu idu vandu scripted dialogue ah illaya neengle decide pannalaanga. Okay, so Sujata madam, you can go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much, Siddharth. Yes, Metro, we are so very happy and proud of you all. Wonderful, great going since start. Yes, Siddharth, can we go for the very first clue on screen? Yeah, imagine you're trapped in a room with 4 walls without any doors and windows. You only have a box of matches, 3 cans and a ceramic mug. How can you get out of this situation? Please raise your hand. Yes, Divik Rajora, Iron Man. Iron Man are really
Stop
strong.
imagining.
Yes, wonderful. You got it right. Divik, absolutely right. Stop imagining. In your imagination, anything can happen. Yes.
Hey, super Divik.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, next one, please. If a plane crashes between the borders of India and China, where do you bury the survivors? Shama. Yes, Shama.
There will be no survivors.
You don't bury.
You don't bury the survivors.
Absolutely right. You don't bury the survivors. Yes, Shama, if you don't get it, I would have felt very, very bad. Yes, my darling ISO for the district when I was ISO for a club. Super, Shama. Thank you. Wonderful. Yes, we do not bury survivors. Absolutely right. Move on, Siddharth. There is a boat full of people, but not a single person on the boat. How is that? Yeah, Mati Yosi. Mati Yosinga. I think Chitra can answer this. Mati Yosi Chitra.
Suganya madam.
Suganya, tell us. Unmute yourself, Suganya, and tell us.
Yeah, all are married.
Absolutely right. Are you married, Suganya?
Yeah, I'm first lady. Suganya Ganesh Raj.
No wonder, no wonder. Yes, they're all married and no single person there. Absolutely right. Yes. Move on to that. Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, who's going to answer this? I think Batman Chitralekha, she's saying she can answer this. Yes, Chitra.
You tried.
Sorry?
Inflation.
Yeah, I mean, ரொம்ப மாத்தி யோசிக்கிறீங்க.
Growing economy. Growing economy.
Hey, I raised my hand, yeah.
Yes, Shama, growing economy. Growing economy. Yes, absolutely right. It went up, you know, it went up. So it is growing economy. Absolutely right. Brilliant. So wonderful participation. And the last question we are on, I think, if my counting is right, who is going to answer this? I think Anandi Shivakumar. Anandi, unmute yourself and tell us, Anandi. First, we'll ask Anandi. Shama. Anandi?
Travel under sea.
Under seas.
Under seas.
Oh, travel
overseas. Travel overseas.
Shama is right. Travel
overseas.
Yeah, we can give it to Shama and Anandi as well. I mean, somebody got the C's right. So wonderful, brilliant participation, super duper. We'll move on to the next one. Over to you, Siddharth. That was very, very good. Super. Thanks for the opportunity, Siddharth.
Thank you, Sujata madam.
Thanks, Sujata.
Beautiful. That was amazing conducting. I have a long way to go to meet your level. Beautiful, madam. Beautiful. Okay, so the next is going to be an icebreaker. So, கொஞ்சம் டிஃபரெண்டா பண்ணலாம். Zoom chat boxல யாருக்கு வந்து முதல்ல வந்து பதில் சொல்றாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு தான் பரிசு. So, guys, the icebreaker, the question is on your screens now. What organization are you a part of? mention the row it starts in and ends in. Sujata madam, can you look at the chat box, please?
Yeah, checking Siddharth.
So the question again, what organization are you a part of? Mention the row it starts and ends in. Come on, guys. Just write it in the Zoom chat. It's simple. Yes, Divik is given the right answer. But
Yeah, and Shama also gave. Yeah.
Divik
has
is
given
right.
third row.
Divik, beautiful, good job. It starts in the third row. Divik வந்து இந்த ரவுண்ட்ல வந்து ரொம்ப enthusiastic-ஆ இருக்காரு. I think வந்து அந்த treasure hunt வந்து அவரை வந்து ரொம்ப பூஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டாரு. Beautiful, beautiful. So now we're going to have the last game of the day, which is famous advertisement taglines. இங்க வா. So நானும் என் wife வந்து இந்த இது பண்ண போறோம். So the again, guys, since I've already explained a number of times how to raise your hand, I'm not doing it again. The opportunity is the fastest finger first. The first question on your screen now. எனக்கு பல் வலிக்குது.
உங்க டூத்பேஸ்ட்ல உப்பு இருக்கா?
This is the tagline for which advertisement? So now we're having so much of participation here. Sundar Natarajan, can you unmute yourself?
That Colgate or something.
Sundar Natarajan?
Hey, na kai Colgate, huh? Colgate.
Yes.
Hey, I raise my hand, yeah.
Sir, but it is the fastest finger first. Sundar Natarajan was the fastest finger. We're able to see it on our screen. So the host and the co-host only will see who does it in chronological order. Beautiful. So that was the right answer. Sundar Natarajan. Colgate Active Salt. So the next question is on your screen now.
G for H. இது இருந்தா ஆரோக்கியம் இருக்கும்.
Ganesh Kumar from Iron Man.
Gold winner.
Yes, that is the correct answer. G for health. Gold winner for health. Beautiful, Ganesh Kumar sir. We are now coming to the end of our thing. We have 3 more questions to go. Everyone, please be attentive. Remember, fastest finger first.
கர நல்லது.
கர ரொம்ப நல்லது. Vijay Javeri.
This is Surf Excel.
Correct sir. Surf Excel வீட்ல ரொம்ப யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க நினைக்கிறேன். நீங்க தான் வந்து ரொம்ப ஆடுறீங்க நினைக்கிறேன் உங்க வீட்ல. Beautiful sir. கரெக்ட்டா வந்து தெரிஞ்சிருக்கீங்க. Beautiful. So we're going to move on to the next question. இது செம்ம ஹாட் மச்சி. Shama from Incredibles. Always செம்ம ஃபாஸ்டா இருக்கீங்க Shama.
Radio Mirchi.
Yes, madam. Beautiful. That is the correct answer. Radio Mirchi. It is summer hot machi. We are at the last and final advertisement tagline. The question on your screen now. Neighbors envy, owners pride. Vijay Javeri sir, inga vandu romba perfect. Ipoda purinjichu nenikiren how to raise hand. Great.
Neighbors envy, owners pride. Onida television.
Wow sir, that was amazing. Good job everybody. So we're at the final icebreaker. The first person with the solution, please type in the Zoom chat box. If A is equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equals 3, what is the total for VS cube? This is an example above cat. C is equal to 3, A is equal to 1, T is equal to 20, so that becomes 24. So what is the total for VS cube? உப்பு இருக்கு. பேட்மேன் சித்ரலேகா சூப்பர் சார். அந்த இது முடிஞ்சிச்சு சார்.
அப்ப அவங்க போட்டாங்க அந்த டைம்ல.
அந்த டைம் நான் தான் வந்து ரொம்ப லேட்டா இருக்கேன்.
ஆமா.
So guys, this is the final icebreaker. So please type the solution in the Zoom chat. You guys can unmute yourselves if you want. We are at the last and final question. யார் அடுத்த ராமானுஜம் இங்க? முதல்ல வந்து வடிவேல் இருந்துச்சு, இப்போ யார் அடுத்த ராமானுஜம்? சுஜாதா மேடம் எல்லாரும் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்களா?
Yeah. எல்லாம் பாக்குறாங்க. We can stop the screen chat. We got it. 72.
Dashu, that is amazing. Thank you.
Very fast response.
72.
This was amazing, guys. We had so much of fun with all of you. If you have any birthday parties, kitty parties, or corporate events, please think about us. For Rotary, we will always give you special packages. Thank you all so much. We are at the end of our program. Thank you all. This was wonderful.
And who has won the individual prizes? How will we know?
I've written everything.
Okay.
Written everything. Shall I? I'll send it in all the groups.
Please do that.
Yeah.
You are added in all the groups.
I will
send it in all the groups.
I will send it in all the groups, and then I will exit from the groups.
And get the numbers, and then pass on the gifts also to them.
Done. Will do.
Okay.
Good job, Siddharth and Sujata and Swati.
Thank you so much.
Good job.
Siddharth.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Siddharth, it was a very nice program. And on behalf of Metro, please have a glass of milk for the energy what you have asked.
Great job. You are very interactive and very participative.
Thank you, Siddharth.
You guys were absolutely amazing. Beautiful response. So much of planning and so much of enthusiasm. You guys are really amazing. Madras Metro, you really deserve a huge round of applause. Amazing, guys.
Thank you, Siddharth, Swati,
Thanks,
and
Siddharth.
thank you, Sujata madam, and thanks everybody, Madras Metro, for participating. Thank you very much.
Siddharth, do you say this the tagline? You are great guys. You are a super club to all the.
Good job, President.
இதேதான் நான் கேட்டேன்.
I mean
you.
it, sir. Now I mean it.
Okay, thank you
Good
so
job,
much.
President. Good job.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank you.
fellowship.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
very nice. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Thank you all so very much.
Hello.
Great show. Great.
Thanks, Sujata. Great job.
Yeah, thank you. Super.
Great job,
President.
BS
Thanks a
Group
lot.
is rocking, huh?
Chitra and I are in Mahila Sabha. Shama and I. So in Rotary with you all. So everywhere we are all together. All world.
This one.
Thank you. Absolutely.
Great going, Incredibles.
Yeah, incredible.
It was very fast. It was very difficult. It was only a 1 minute difference between all the clubs, all the groups.
Okay, sir, you carry on. I will stay with it. We will stop the recording and we will send it to you afterwards. Once it's all done, we will
Okay.
send you the recording.
Thank you, Sujata.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Great job, President.
Thank you.